What if you could see exactly what Warren Buffett, Bill Ackman, or Michael Burry just bought? I use a free website called Dataroma to track billionaire investor moves, and today I'll show you how to use it to generate stock ideas. So first, all you have to do is type in the URL, dataroma.com, and it'll bring you to the home page right here. The information provided is on a quarterly basis. Different hedge fund managers or super investors have to submit what is called a 13F filing, which is what stocks they've bought and sold. And from this information, we can reverse engineer it, kind of just to see what these billionaires are thinking, what stocks are interested, maybe what prices they like. So we can come over here, we'll look at Michael Burry's, and you can see Michael Burry has all his eggs in one basket. He owns everything in Estee Lauder. So we can look at his activity, and it's quite an interesting bet for Mr. Burry. He sold all of his stocks. He sold out completely out of everything, and he just loaded everything into Estee Lauder. We can also look at Bill Ackman. We can see what he's done recently. So he's bought some Uber. He's added to his position of Brookfield Corp. And he's also added to Google. And he's bought this is a new holding for him, Hertz Global, which I believe is the car rental business. He's also sold a couple stocks. He's sold 12% of his Chipotle, sold a tiny bit of his CP Rail, sold a little bit of the Google, and he sold almost 50% of his position in Hilton. The last one we're going to look at is Mr. Warren Buffett. He does have a big portfolio, so we'll check his activity. And we can see he added 144%. I believe this is a new purchase for him of Pool Corp. Constellation Brands, which I believe is the owner of Modelo. Heiko. He also bought some Domino's Pizza, SiriusXM, Oxy Petroleum, VeriSign, and then he sold Charter, DaVita Healthcare, Capital One, Bank of America, T-Mobile, Liberty Media, which owns Formula One, the media rights to Formula One. Then he sold out completely out of Citi and New Holdings. So what I would do with this information was we can see he added greatly to Pool Corp. So we'll go over to our software of choice and we'll type in the ticker symbol. And we'll get a brief little overview. So he bought it Q1, which is anywhere between beginning of the year to March. We also get an estimate around the price he bought. If we go back to holdings, we can see around $318. So it's a little bit down from where he bought it, but let's see why he would like this stock. Trading at a generous PE of 28, small dividend of 1.6%. Scroll down. You can look at the quarterly financials. They do roughly $1 billion each quarter, sometimes go most closer to 2. We can look annually. They do about $5 billion on average, sometimes 6. We can also look at their balance sheet. A little expensive on the price to book, but very good return on capital. So this is just a quick overview of how to use Dataroma to give you some undervalued stock plays. And this is one of my favorite tools just to see what billionaire investors are thinking and try to reverse engineer why they like a company and generate some ideas for myself. So let me know in the comments what super investor you track, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a great day.